Hello everyone, this is English with Faz. In today's lesson, we're going to learn fruit names in English. Are you ready? So let's get started. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Grapes, grapes. Peach, peach. Avocado, avocado. Orange, orange. Kiwi, kiwi. Pear, pear. Figs, figs. Mango, mango. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Lime, lime. Plum, plum. Pineapple, pineapple. Melon, melon. Watermelon, watermelon. Blueberries, blueberries. Raspberries, raspberries. Cherries, cherries. Blackberries, blackberries. Apricots, apricots. Coconut, coconut. Tangerine, tangerine. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Papaya, papaya. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Lemon, lemon. Strawberries, strawberries. Persimmon, persimmon. Loquat, loquat. Time for the quiz. So what's the name of this fruit? Pineapple. Very good. Now this one. Blueberries. Good job. This one. Lime. Great. Last one. Grapes. Excellent. So that was all for today's lesson. Make sure to practice more. See you soon. Take care.